welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Sooji Nuggets or Rava Nuggets. Very quick and easy recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add half cup of Suji to it. Dry roast for 2 minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes and our rava is nicely roasted. So to this, add half teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of water. Mix it continuously until the water is completely absorbed. Now it's nice and dry, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. When it's cool, transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 potato boiled and mashed, 1 onion very finely chopped, 1 green chili chopped, few chopped curry leaves, few chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well using your hand. Now all the ingredients have come together well. Grease your hands with oil and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then roll it like this and soften the ends. Now we have it ready. Likewise, make all the Sooji nuggets and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, add the Sooji nuggets one by one. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. Flip the nuggets in between. It's been 3 minutes and our Sooji nuggets are nice and golden brown, so we can remove them. Serve the Sooji nuggets hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and quick recipe, so do try the Sooji nuggets or Rava nuggets at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.